Okay, good morning everyone. Today our group will hold a meeting, and before we start the meeting, please introduce our members. First, ada Fadilah Permata Putri as supervisor,
Halo guys.
and second, ada Nego Simanjuntak as employee,
Morning, everyone.
Iqmal Agassi as supervisor,
Halo guys.
Australia Hewitt Martinez Sirait as employee,
Hello.
Level Faiz Sabani as employee,
Morning guys.
Muhammad Tama Muhyiddin as chairperson,
Halo,
Fitrah Aldi Azizul Hakim as employee,
Sup, y'all?
and Sylvia Andrea Arifasili as moderator and speaker. The title of this meeting is determining the brand ambassador for our skincare products, Skintify. Skintify is a local beauty brand formulated in Canada and has been around since 1957. And over the years, Skintify has produced a wide range of skincare products that can help improve various skin problems, including a compromised skin barrier. And now we are looking for new brand ambassador because your old brand ambassador has expired and is not continuing. So before we start the meeting, I'll give the screen to the chairperson.
okay, good morning everyone. Have everyone received a copy of the agenda for today? Would you mind taking minutes, Revel?
Not at all, Mister.
Good. Okay, since everyone already on the Zoom, let's get started right away. I'm pleased to welcome all members to this meeting and thank you all for attending this meeting too. I really appreciate all you all for attending today. So, the main goal of our meeting today is to decide on a new brand ambassador for our company products. Because, as you know, since our previous brand ambassador has ended her contract and did not generate an increased sales, and so as I mentioned 5 days ago, there are 3 options for selecting new brand ambassadors. The first one is Maudy Ayunda, the second one is Pevita Pierce, and the last one is Megawati Hangesri Pertiwi. And of course, they have each of their own unique background. All right, now you all have a chance to review your proposals. Let's start the discussion. Revel, can you start the discussion? What's your view?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Tamam. I have done research on all 3 brand ambassador candidates. Out of 3 candidates I was looking for, I preferred Maudy Ayunda to be considered as a new brand ambassador. As you can see on the screen, Maudy Ayunda has many social media accounts where each account always has more than 500,000 followers, especially Instagram with 19,500,000 followers. Maudy Ayunda has high popularity in various circles and has also been a brand ambassador for famous skincare product L'Oreal and Pond's, and for products other than skincare are Pantene, Vivo, Lux, Listerine, Cleo, and Outside. Okay, that's all about my presentation.
Wait, Revel, can you elaborate a bit more on how her effect when she became our brand ambassador? I want to make sure we're clear on the impact of our brand ambassador candidates.
Okay, Abed, thank you for your question. And to resolve your doubts, let me clarify and answer beforehand. Because I'm also of the same opinion as Rebel, as shown in the PowerPoint, there is 3 interesting facts why Maudy Ayunda uh, is deserved to be a skincare brand ambassador. First, her flawless skin. Maudy Ayunda is known for her radiant and healthy-looking skin, which has earned her the admiration of skincare enthusiasts. Her complexion serves as a testament to the effectiveness of the products she endorses. And second, positive image and influence. Her down-to-earth personality, coupled with her achievements in the various fields, makes her a relatable and aspirational figure. This positive image translates into trust and credibility when she endorses skincare brands. And the last, skincare expertise. Maudy Ayunda is genuinely passionate about skincare and has actively shared her skincare knowledge and routines with her followers. She regularly posts skincare tips and products review on her social media platforms, further establishing her as a skincare authority. And based on the sorry, wait. And based on the data, the price for brand ambassador Maudy Ayunda herself is also above the endorsement price where we have enough funds to pay for it, and where its price is different depending on its needs.
Okay, but for skincare products, he has only been a brand ambassador twice. And doesn't she appear in commercial too often and may bore the public?
Okay, but I think you doesn't really seem know who Maudy Ayunda is. Okay, based on the presentation, it can be seen that even though she has only been a skincare brand ambassador twice, the other products that made her a brand ambassador are well-known products, and she is also called the queen of brand ambassadors in Nusantara. And for the public, it seems that people will not get tired of seeing Maudy Ayunda, considering she is always popular among teenagers and is known as an inspirational figure. She is also a singer who is sure that every product she uses will be followed by her fans. That's all.
Thank you, Hewitt, for your opinion. But Hewitt, what if
Pardon me, Abed,
uh,
and thank you, Rebel and Habit, for shedding light on the candidates you support. And I appreciate your thought too, Abed. Now, Abed, it's time for you to present your presentation.
okay, thank you, Mr. Tamam, for this occasion. First of all, I want to show my favor to Pevita Pierce to be a brand ambassador. And let me explain my presentation. And next, Pevita Pierce is an actress and also has a sizable fan base, which can help to boost appeal of a movie project or television show. Her presence can be a magnet to attract consumers. In addition, Pevita Pierce is also known for her beauty and targeted by companies to become a brand ambassador. In total, there are 10 famous products that have made her by a brand ambassador. For production that require visual appeal, especially skincare products, her presence can be a plus point. Also, she is able to convey emotion well and has the ability to bring the characters she portrays to life because her favorite job is an actress. Our target is not only women, but all walks of life. Pevita is first Pevita is famous among both men and women and with a lot of experience as a brand ambassador of famous product. The following are products that have made her an ambassador is PUBG, Pond, Samsung, Tresemme, regular Accessology, Subclinic, Zilingo, Maybelline, and Ragnar Origin. And here are some facts why Pevita is often a skincare brand ambassador. First, large and engaged following on social media. She has over 18 million followers on Instagram, making her one of the most popular celebrities in Indonesia. This gives her a wide reach and allows her to connect with potential customers for skincare and beauty brand. Second, Pevita Pierce is known for her flawless skin and natural beauty. She is often featured in magazine and online articles as a beauty icon. This makes her a desirable spokesperson for skincare and beauty brands, as she can help them to promote their product to a wide audience. And last, Pevita Pierce is a trusted source of information about skincare and beauty. She has a personal interest in these topics and is often seen sharing tips and advice with her followers. This makes us this makes her a credible spokesperson for skincare and beauty brands, and she can provide their customers with valuable information. And I believe Pevita is the right choice. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abed, for your opinion on the candidates you support as brand ambassadors. Next, Aziz, can we know your views?
Hey, Mr. Tamam. I will show you my presentation. This time, I recommend Megawati Hangesti Pertiwi to be the brand ambassador. She has been volleyball athlete since the age of 14. The reason I recommend Megawati is that I consider the difference in her career background than the others. In addition, she is also on the rise and joined the South Korean volleyball club. Her popularity as a brand ambassador stems from a unique combination of factors. As defined beauty, Megawati is often for her youthful appearance defer of her age, of course. She exudes an aura of grace and elegance, making her aspirational figure for women of all age. Second, trustworthiness and credibility. Megawati's reputation for honesty and integrity lends credibility to the products she endorses. Consumers trust that she would only endorse brands that align with her values and that she genuinely believes in their effectiveness. And also broad appeal. Her popularity transcends political affiliation and social boundaries. She's appealed to a wide range of demographics, make her an ideal brand ambassador for skincare products that target a diverse audience.
Excuse me, Aziz. As far as I'm concerned, Megawati has never been a brand ambassador. She has only done endorsement. In addition, her popularity is lacking, and few people are familiar with Megawati.
Okay, Rafael, I appreciate your perspective, but based on the result we've been looking for, so far the products that endorse Megawati can increase of sales of the products. The enthusiasm shown by Megawati when doing an endorsement can also keep the brand connected to the trend.
Okay, thank you, Revel, Hewitt, Abed, and Azi, for sharing your opinions and searching for brand ambassador candidates for our products. I appreciate how you present them well and with conviction. All three of them have good potential, but on the other hand, have their own advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, Mr. Tamam, our meeting time is almost up. Let's make a decision.
Okay, you're right, Azi. Since we do have to give an eye on the time, I'd like to make the final decision. I decide to take the strongest candidates, the two of them, Maudy Ayunda and Pevita Pierce. Let's have an official vote to determine the brand ambassador for our Skintify products. Please raise your hand if you recommend Maudy Ayunda. 1, 2, 3.
Here.
Here.
Okay. Well, without taking the next vote, it appears that Maudy Ayunda got the most vote. Maudy Ayunda will be appointed as the Skintify brand ambassador. Now we must listen to the conclusion. Go ahead, Mr. Revel.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tamam. The conclusion is Maudy Ayunda chosen as Skintify new brand ambassador based on the most votes and experience she had before.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Revel. Well, I think that's all for today's meeting, and the next meeting will be held next Sunday. I will send the agenda later, and thank you everyone for attending this meeting.